Hi, our team are composed by Hania, Caro, and me, Valeria Cordero, and we are from the group 427 from Preparatoria número 7, and our experiment is named Jumping Coin.
Our experiment consists in putting a coin that is in temperature of a normal coin, then we put it in the top of a bottle that has been freezed during 30 minutes or more, depending on the size of the bottle. Then when we put the coin on the top, it starts to move by itself because of the change of temperature.
Some materials we use in this experiment are a coin, a glass container, and some water.
First, we need to freeze the glass bottle and some water. Come. Now you introduce the coin in water and then you put it on top of the bottle.
The experiment consists in taking a glass bottle that has been freezed during 30 minutes or more, depending on the size of the bottle. We take it out of the freezer as fast as we can. Then we apply a coin that has been dripping water that also has been freezed. Then we put it in the top of the bottle. The main question of this experiment is, why does the coin moves? Well, this is because the bottle, when it's being freezed, it has a pressure inside. It's kind of a pressure. So when we take it out of the freezer, this pressure starts to get out of the bottle. And when we put the coin in the top of the bottle, that process has been interrupted because the coin is covering the top. So when the pressure starts to go upwards, the coin starts to flip upwards also. The application of physics in this experiment is that thermal equilibrium. The changes in temperatures between the bottle and the normal temperature of a room changes in the point that the bottle starts to exert a kind of pressure from the inside. The difficulties we had doing this experiment was that we didn't took the bottle fast from the freezer to the table, so the bottle starts to get warm. And when we put the coin in the top, the coin only stays still. Doesn't happen anything because the pressure and the air from the bottle has been released during the time that we move the bottle from the freezer to the table. Another difficulty that didn't happen to us, but it can happen, is that if a bottle is in the freezer a long time, and then you take it out of the freezer quickly, then the glass starts to apply a tension that it can make the bottle break into pieces from nowhere. But well, Yes, because of the change of temperature, but it can be dangerous.